Hello, seniors. This is our plan for Wednesday, April 8th. Here we go. All right. First, complete the April 8th due now assignment. Get that done before 2 p.m. today, Wednesday, April 8th. It's an easy way to earn some points, and it's also the way that I keep attendance, so make sure that you get that done. Second, we're going to start watching a documentary. It's on the economic crash that took place in 2008. It's called Inside Job. It's narrated by Matt Damon. But in this unit, you've been reading about different types of economies from on one end of the spectrum, a market economy, and on the other end of the spectrum, a controlled or a command economy. What took place in 2008 is an example of what happens when there isn't enough government oversight. We live in a mixed economy, and the battle or the questions that we have to answer are how much should the government be involved? And we all want the government to be involved as little as possible, but there certainly are consequences when there is too little involvement or too little oversight of what's happening in business. And that's what the documentary is about. What happens when the market only dictates what happens with government oversight. The film is broken up into 5 parts. Part 1 is due on Friday, April 10th, but the whole thing is available to you. The rest of it will be due on Tuesday, April 14th, but if you'd like to work ahead, certainly go ahead and do that. It's available to you. But that's what the film is about, and that's the intent. It's a maybe a warning for what happens when there's too little government oversight. All right, and then the other things up here are our next video conference is on Thursday, April 9th at noon. I only saw a couple of you today. I'd like to see more people pop in and at least say hello, particularly if you have a question for the class. I really want to make sure everybody gets credit for this. So you do have to do the work. It's not going to be very much. There'll be something to do every other day. And in this case, for today, it's going to be to begin this documentary. So just make sure that you use the video conference if you need to pop in and say hello. And I'd really like to just see you anyway. So pop in. And then the last thing, contact me. If you're struggling with something, and there are a couple of you that are falling behind, if you're struggling with something and I need to know what's going on, or I can help you in some way, please just ask. Let me know. I don't want anybody to get to the end of this process in June if we're still doing it this way, and for you not to get credit. That would be bad. I don't want that to happen to you. So allow me to help you. Below are the assignments that have been given to this point, and the due dates to see if you are keeping up. And that is about all I have for you. Have a great day.